In this video, I'll be sharing with you my makeup routine. It's one of my most requested videos where people ask me, how do you achieve your makeup? What's the time frame it takes? So that's what this video is all about. I can't be doing all those things that makeup artists normally do. So let's just go ahead with this video and see how long it's gonna take us. So most of the products I use are Nyx. My face is moisturized, well hydrated. So I will just start with my primer. This is Born to Glow. I think it's majorly for brown skin. Yeah, it is. I don't like to use much foundation. I like to use this bigger brush and clean the surface with some wipes. And I like to dab it with some products from my hand. And I just, I blend it this way. Yeah, and that's it. When you want to do a quick makeup for maybe like 10 minutes, the best thing is to bring out your products already. And meanwhile, this is also Nyx product like Capuccino color. I'm just going to go ahead and put this here. This is Capuccino. This is my exact. So I'm going to brighten it up by 2 colors above my color. This is neutral tan. So I don't blend in my concealer immediately. I allow it to settle. So I just go ahead and take care of my eyebrow. Yeah, this has got to be glue. I will just go ahead and use my setting powder. This is light medium. Just going to put that bit on it. Just a little. And now I'll go back to my concealer and blend it out. I don't dab too hard, I just dab a bit. The whole idea of concealer is to patch it up on areas, so it's not supposed to be spreading that much, so be careful when you're dabbing. Set with my setting powder immediately to avoid creasing. The next thing now is my eye pencil. So I try to make sure it is well sharpened, and this is Nyx also dark brown. So I'm just going to trace out my brows this way, just the way I'm doing it. Make sure it's faint, like you don't press deep and don't get to the front. Just tracing my natural brow lines. I'll just stroke it up. So whatever I'm doing, I won't get to the front. You can see the way I'm doing it. I'll just go ahead and shape in my brows. I'm using this. I like to start from the arc. And I take it to the front. This is my concealer, my skin tone concealer. I'll just add it here. I'll allow that dry. While I'm waiting for it to dry, I'll just go ahead and blush up my face. I use this from, I don't know what the name is. I'll just use this particular color here and brush it upwards like this. Like this, so that goes. So instead of contouring and all of that, I just use this. I don't go through all that process anymore. Okay, I feel like this is dry, so next thing I'll just blend it out. I'll set it before I do any other things. Oh, my nails setting. I don't like the eyeshadow drama, so I don't do all of that. I will just go for nude. Yeah, still in this color. I'll just do something on my face. Alright, I already have a natural this. I will just follow it up again with this. This is what I will do. So this is what I will do. I will just do a brief, I don't know, maybe contour look, just to give my cheek yeah. So right now I'll go for a bronzer, but I don't do much. I just do this, the very important areas. One thing I'm going to now do is to kind of blend all the ash lines on my powder using my setting powder. My blush, I can just do a little bit more just to make it stand out. Then I'll put some here around my jawline. Yeah. So once I've done this, now we're looking good already. I will just go to the highs, and for my highs, I just put some products at my lower eye line. Now, straight to my eyeliner. This is from, I don't know. Right under my eyes, I do this also. I mean, just to make it all glow. Almost done, guys. So now my lips. I have a lip liner also from Nyx. Meanwhile, I already have lip gloss on my lips, so just do this. I don't know what this is. I got it from Nyx and I started using it on my lips and I really love the effect. So see that. So now that the lips are done, I will just use my mascara. Let me start from below. What is it? My spray also is from Nyx, so I'm just going to spray up my face. And guys, we are good. This is my natural go-to for any filming, any outing. Let me know, guys, what do you think of this makeup? Do you like it? Would you go for this anytime? Like, I think it's mom suitable, it's mom friendly. It's just easy to go by and you're done, your makeup is set. Like, I can't be doing all those things that makeup artists normally do. I do not have the energy to do all those. Let me know what you think about this makeup. Alright, guys, so this is what my makeup routine looks like. I hope you love this video. I hope this video helped you in some way. If you'd like me to shoot more of this kind of videos, let me know in the comments. But guys, I am feeling my look. I'm liking it, and it was very stressless, guys. I will not deceive you. Like you can see now, we did it in a few minutes. Although I had to stop and feed my baby. Makeup is not stressful, guys, and it's something that you should know. Every woman should know how to make themselves up in a little way. And I get it that there are many confusing makeup tutorials online, and Many of us don't even know what to get, where to start from, and all of that. You can start from anywhere. In fact, you can start from the products I showed you, or you can even get cheaper products. But once you follow the process and you continue to practice, you're going to get it well. I hope you like this video. It was nice filming this video, guys. I thought it was gonna be stressful, but it wasn't actually. Alright guys, thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.